Good morning and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor. Also ahead, the DEA issues a new warning about rainbow fentanyl, the story every parent needs to hear. But first, the alert day is behind us and the rain has moved out, so what awaits you for your Wednesday morning commute? Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us plan our day ahead, and boy, did it come down for a while.
Yes, we did see some rain yesterday. Some areas got a little over an inch of rain, but I think it was much needed. As for today, we will be mostly dry. A few passing showers are possible, but nothing like yesterday at all.
We just heard one go really quickly over us.
Yes, we did. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we can still see a few showers on our radar, but this looks to clear out here this morning. We do look mostly dry today. Another weaker cold front does approach later on in the day, and we could be seeing a passing shower here this evening, but we do look mostly dry with some sunshine, and we are a lot cooler today after that cold front moved through. Low humidity and temperatures just in the low 70s for the high temperature. So a passing shower is possible today, but we do look to remain mostly dry with partly cloudy skies. Cooler today, and it is going to be much cooler tomorrow. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s with little to no humidity, so actually feeling a lot more like fall tomorrow. We will warm up again over the weekend, and overall it is looking like a nice weekend with mostly dry conditions for the holiday. So as for today, we are tracking partly cloudy skies, a little bit cooler, and it will be a little bit breezy with a passing shower possible later on. And I will be talking a little bit more about the Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. And don't forget her forecast, never more than 10 minutes away. We have
Welcome back. After a cold front moved through yesterday, it is going to be a little bit cooler today with highs just in the low 70s. And tomorrow we will just be in the upper 60s, so way below average for this time of year, especially for the end of August. But as we head into the weekend, we do start to warm up a little bit more with highs in the mid 80s on Saturday. Even after this cold front moved through, the humidity dropped as well. So for today through Friday, we will feel nice and comfortable. Come Saturday and Sunday, it is going to feel just a little bit muggy, but not as humid as it has been recently. If you are heading out to the New York State Fair today, it looks like a great day to go. Even over in Syracuse, it looks dry, partly cloudy, and comfortable humidity with temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Listen to this one here.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking some showers still passing through this morning, but we do look to be mostly dry today and a lot cooler. So let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera. We can't see much. It is facing our parking lot. There is some fog up here on top of Smith Hill, so just be careful for some fog this morning, but otherwise we are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are just tracking a few showers still kind of lingering around due to that cold front yesterday. We do look to be mostly dry today with another passing shower possible later on in the day as a weaker cold front moves through. But all of that heavy rain that we did see yesterday has since moved through along with the cold front, and we are going to be dealing with a lot cooler conditions today with a lot less humidity. So temperatures this morning are in the 60s. We have 64 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls, 65 degrees in Utica. Looking to the south, we have 63 degrees in Hamilton and 62 degrees in Sherburne this morning. Our high temperature today looks to just reach the low 70s, and it is going to be even cooler tomorrow with highs just in the upper 60s. But as for today and tomorrow, a passing shower or two is still possible. So we are still seeing some lingering showers from this morning. A few passing showers are possible later on in the day and tonight as a weaker cold front moves through. That will linger a little bit into tomorrow, but we do look mostly dry for the day of today and tomorrow. We do look to fully dry out for Friday and Saturday for the beginning of Labor Day weekend. A shower is possible on Sunday, but we do look dry for Labor Day. So looking ahead at the Labor Day forecast, it does look like a pretty nice weekend overall, especially for Friday and Saturday. We look mostly dry with sunshine, and highs are going to be in the mid 80s on Saturday. That will be the warmest day of the weekend. On Sunday, we will drop into the 70s. A few showers are possible, and on Labor Day, it does look to be fully dry with sunshine once again. So overall, pretty nice weekend ahead and a pretty nice next couple of days. As for today, we are still tracking a few showers this morning, but we do look to see mostly dry dry conditions with some sunshine, and highs are just going to be in the low 70s, but still a passing shower is possible. And even overnight tonight, a few showers are possible into tomorrow morning, but not like the heavy rain we saw yesterday. Tomorrow will be a lot cooler. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s, feeling a lot like fall as for tomorrow. And then heading into Friday, it does start to warm up again a little bit. On Friday, we are tracking sunshine for the whole day with high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. As for today, though, highs are just going to be in the low 70s. A few showers are possible later on as a weaker cold front moves through. And tonight, a few showers are still possible overnight with a low in the 50s. So for today and tomorrow, a few passing showers are possible, but we do look to be mostly dry for both of those days. We do start to dry out and warm up for the weekend ahead. Overall, it looks like a pretty nice holiday weekend, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. And at least the worst is behind us. And today, a little more rain, but then it's not too bad.
Yes, it's not too bad.
Hannah, thank you. They're found on Gadgets all for this half hour. I'm Gary Libitor. A busy morning here at News Channel 2 once again. But first, we want to get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us plan our day ahead. And boy, that rain came down for quite a while yesterday, starting late afternoon.
Yes, we did see heavy rain. Some areas saw over an inch of rain. As for today, we're still seeing just a few showers lingering this morning, but we do look mostly dry.
And the lawns are starting to look better again.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are tracking just a few showers still kind of moving through here this morning, but we will be mostly dry for today with another chance of a passing shower later on in the day and tonight due to a weaker cold front moving through. But we are a lot cooler and less humid today. High temperatures will reach the low 70s, low humidity as well, so it should be a pretty nice day in store with partly cloudy skies, but once again, passing shower possible this morning and then later on in the day as a weaker cold front begins to move through. We are even going to be cooler than today tomorrow. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s tomorrow, so it is going to feel a lot more like fall tomorrow than late August. And looking ahead to the weekend, it does look to warm up. Overall, a nice holiday weekend is expected ahead. But as for today, partly cloudy skies, a passing shower is possible later on in the day with highs just in the low 70s and breezy conditions. And I will have the Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the latest forecast.
Welcome back. We are going to be a lot cooler today with the passing shower possible, but high temperatures in the North Country look to just be right near 70. In the Mohawk Valley, we will be in the low 70s for the high temperature, and the same thing for the Southern Valley. So a lot cooler and a lot less humid today. So as you're going to sleep, even tonight and tomorrow night, it is going to be pretty cool and comfortable. Today, it will be in the upper 50s as for tonight, and then tomorrow night, it will be in the upper 40s for the overnight low temperature, so it is going to feel nice and comfortable. Looking ahead to the weekend, overall, it is looking like a pretty nice weekend. Saturday is going to be warm with highs in the mid 80s, and we are going to be seeing sunshine. A passing shower or storm is possible on Sunday with highs in the 70s. Back to you, Gary.
Sounds good, Hannah. We'll check back in with you shortly. First, our
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking mostly dry conditions today. A few passing showers are possible, and it is going to be a lot cooler outside. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera. It is facing our parking lot. We can't really see much this morning on top of Smith Hill. We are experiencing some patchy fog up here. So if you do live in an area of higher elevation, just be careful of that this morning. But as of right now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are mostly dry. A few showers are still lingering around here this morning, but most of that heavy rain that did move through yesterday has since cleared off into the east along with that cold front with it. The cold front left behind breezy conditions for today and much cooler weather with highs just in the low 70s. So our temperatures this morning are in the 60s. We have 64 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls and 65 degrees in Utica. Looking to the south, we have 63 degrees in Cooperstown and in Norwich here this morning. Once again, high temperatures today just just reaching right near or in the low 70s. It is going to feel a lot more comfortable in terms of temperature and humidity because we are experiencing low humidity as well. But for today and tomorrow, there is going to be the opportunity for passing showers. So still some lingering showers this morning. A weaker cold front does look to move through later on in the day into tonight. So a few showers are possible later today and overnight tonight. So that will linger a little bit into tomorrow. But otherwise, during the day, it does look mostly dry for today and tomorrow. A lot cooler weather ahead. But then heading into Friday and into the weekend, it does look to warm up once again, and it does look to mostly dry out for the holiday weekend. So it does look like overall a pretty nice weekend. Saturday looks like the warmest and driest day, dry conditions with highs in the mid-80s. For Sunday, a passing shower or storm is possible, but otherwise it does look pretty nice during the day, highs in the 70s, and on Monday it does look dry with sunshine with highs in the mid-70s. So overall, pretty nice weekend coming up and a pretty nice next couple of days. So as for today, we are still seeing just a few lingering showers this morning. Much cooler with less humidity today with highs in the low 70s, and a passing shower is possible during the day, but it does look mostly dry with some sunshine. Tonight, a few more passing showers are possible due to a weaker cold front moving through overnight and into tomorrow morning. But tomorrow, overall, it does look mostly dry with much cooler weather. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s, so feeling a little bit more like fall tomorrow than the end of August. Heading into Friday, it does look to completely dry out. We are going to be seeing sunshine for the day on Friday, and it is going to get a little bit warmer with highs in the mid-70s. As for today, we are tracking some sunshine, cooler weather, and a passing shower or even just a weak thunderstorm is possible later on as a weaker cold front moves through later on in the day. Highs in the low 70s with breezy conditions, and tonight a few passing showers are also possible in the overnight hours. So as we head into tomorrow, a few lingering showers once again in the morning, but overall it does look dry and a lot cooler tomorrow. We do look to warm up again for overall a nice holiday weekend, Gary.
So after some heavy rains yesterday, dying down today, and it's only going to get better.
Yes, it is.
Hannah, thanks. Right now, nuclear inspectors are making a good morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libator. Also ahead, the DEA issues a new warning about rainbow fentanyl, the story every parent needs to hear. But first, the alert day is behind us and the rain has moved out, so what awaits you for your Wednesday morning commute? Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us plan our day ahead. Hey there.
Good morning, Gary.
Good morning.
We are just seeing a few lingering showers this morning, but it does look mostly dry, a lot better today, a little bit cooler, and then there's the possibility to see a shower later on, but it looks like a pretty good day overall.
So good, no horrific storms, at least heavy rains, which was good for us.
Yes, it was good for us. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, just tracking a few passing showers, still kind of lingering in the air after the cold front moved through yesterday. But otherwise, we are going to dry out today. See partly cloudy skies and a lot cooler. High temperatures are just going to be in the low 70s, a lot less humid, and it is going to be breezy, so it is going to feel a little bit better than it has been over the past couple of days. But once again, a passing shower is also possible later on in the day as a weaker cold front moves through this evening and tonight. A few showers are also possible overnight and into tomorrow, but it even is going to be cooler tomorrow. High temperatures are just going to be in the upper 60s. It's going to feel a lot more like fall tomorrow than the end of August. Looking ahead to the weekend, though, it does look to warm up a little bit more and it looks to be mostly dry. So overall, a nice holiday weekend is expected. So as for today, we are tracking some sunshine, a passing shower, or even a weaker thunderstorm is possible later on with breezy conditions. And I will have the Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget her forecast, never more than 10 minutes away.
Welcome back. It is going to be a little bit cooler today with highs just in the low 70s, and tomorrow a lot cooler with highs just in the upper 60s. But we do look to warm up again for Labor Day weekend with the warmest day of the weekend on Saturday. We will be in the mid-80s. And for today through the rest of the week, it does look to be very comfortable humidity-wise. After this cold front moved through, it did break the humidity, but come Saturday and Sunday, it does get just a little bit muggy again, but not as humid as it had been recently. But overall, today looks like a good day to go over to the New York State Fair over in Syracuse. It looks to be dry out there today, partly cloudy skies, temperatures ranging in the low to mid 70s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Listen to this one. There's
From From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be mostly dry today, but there still is a chance for a passing shower that is going to be a lot cooler. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera. We can't see much. We are dealing with some fog up here on top of Smith Hill. So in areas of higher elevations this morning, there is some fog, so just be careful when driving. But we are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, just a few isolated showers, still kind of moving through, still lingering around after that cold front moved through, but all of the heavy rain has since moved off into the east, and the cold front did leave behind a breeze today from the west and cooler weather with highs just in the low 70s. According to our skywatchers this morning, we are all in the 60s, 60 degrees in Inlet and 64 degrees in New Hartford and in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 59 degrees in Westford and 61 degrees in Lawrence this morning. Once again, we will reach the low 70s today, which is a little bit cooler than it has been, and it will be a lot less humid with comfortable humidity values. But an isolated shower is still possible, especially later on in the day. There is going to be a weaker cold front that is going to be moving through, trailing behind the stronger cold front that just occurred. That will possibly cause a passing shower or storm this evening and even into the overnight hours. That will linger a little bit into tomorrow. But as for the day today and the day tomorrow, it does look mostly dry, a lot cooler with low humidity. And heading into the beginning of Labor Day weekend, it does look to be dry and get a little bit warmer again. Overall, Labor Day weekend is looking pretty nice. On Saturday, we will be seeing some sunshine, highs in the mid-80s. Saturday looks to be the warmest day of the weekend. As for Sunday, a few showers are possible throughout the day, but we are going to be seeing some dry periods and some sunshine, highs in the 70s. As for Labor Day on Monday, it looks pretty nice as well with sunshine and highs in the mid-70s. So let's look at our skycast for the next few days. As for today, we will be seeing partly cloudy skies once some showers clear out this morning. A few passing showers are possible today. Highs are just going to be in the low 70s with breezy conditions. Tonight, that weaker cold front moves through, bringing in possibly some showers overnight, maybe a weaker thunderstorm. That will linger a little bit into tomorrow, but overall tomorrow looks mostly dry with highs just in the upper 60s, feeling a little bit more like fall tomorrow than the end of August. For Friday, we completely clear out. Sunshine comes back in for all day on Friday with highs in the mid-70s, getting a little bit warmer as well. So for today, we will just be in the low 70s. We are tracking mostly dry conditions with some sunshine. A passing shower or weaker thunderstorm is possible later on in the day, and it is going to be breezy. As for tonight, a few showers are possible overnight with a low in the 50s. So for today and tomorrow, it does look to be mostly dry and cooler, very low humidity, but a passing shower or two is possible for both of those days. We do look to dry out for Friday and Saturday, starting to warm up over the weekend, and overall it does look like a pretty nice holiday weekend, Gary.
Beautiful. Another good weekend ahead.
Yes.
Can't beat it.
I know.
Hannah, thanks. They are found in. And thank you for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libator. A busy morning once again here at News Channel 2. But first, we want to get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is here to help us all plan our day ahead, and we're planning it a little differently than yesterday.
Yes, so as for today, it does look to be mostly dry. A passing shower is possible later on in the day, but it looks a lot cooler with some sunshine.
And a lot drier.
Yes, and a lot drier. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, just seeing a few lingering showers after that cold front moved through yesterday. We do look to be mostly dry today with partly cloudy skies, but there is a chance to see another passing shower or even a weaker thunderstorm later on into the day and into tonight. But we are going to be a lot cooler, a little bit breezy after the cold front moved through, and a lot less humid with high temperatures just in the low 70s. So once again, a passing shower is possible, especially later on into day. It is even going to be a lot cooler tomorrow with highs just in the upper 60s. So it is going to feel a lot cooler tomorrow than even today, but we do look to warm up again over the weekend. Overall, it is looking like a pretty nice weekend with some sunshine for the holiday. So for today, expect partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and a passing shower or even a weaker thunderstorm is possible later on in the day. And I will be talking about the Labor Day forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Don't forget the latest forecast.
Welcome back. It's going to be a little bit cooler today than the past couple of days with lower humidity. Up in the North Country, high temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s. We will be in the low 70s in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing for the southern valleys for this afternoon's high temperature. And even for sleeping for tonight and tomorrow night, it is going to feel nice and comfortable. Temperatures tonight will be in the upper 50s for the overnight low, and even in the upper 40s for tomorrow night for the overnight low. So that's a good thing. We're also going to be seeing low humidity. And looking ahead to the weekend, overall looks mostly dry. On Saturday, it does look mostly dry with partly cloudy skies, the warmest day of the weekend with highs in the mid 80s. And on Sunday, there is the possibility for a passing shower or thunderstorm with highs in the 70s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now our next stop on the journey around high school football.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be seeing mostly dry conditions today with cooler weather, highs just in the low 70s. So let's take a look now at our Marabato Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are starting out with some clouds this morning, temperatures in the 60s, but today we will warm up to the low 70s with a lot less humidity and mostly dry conditions. But as of right now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing a few passing showers just kind of moving through from that cold front that had moved through yesterday, but all of that heavy rain is out of our region, and that cold front did leave behind a breeze and cooler weather, and it dropped the humidity as well. According to our sky watchers, we are in the 60s this morning, 61 degrees in Old Forge and 63 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 62 degrees in Cooperstown, Emerson, and in Milford. Once again, the high temperature today is going to be in the low 70s, but it is going to feel a lot cooler than the past couple of days and way less humid. But as for today, a few passing showers are definitely possible heading into the later hours of the day. A weaker cold front is going to move through. It was trailing behind the stronger cold front that moved through yesterday, so that will move through tonight, possibly a few isolated showers this evening and overnight, lingering a little bit into tomorrow. But we do look mostly dry for today and for the day tomorrow, and we completely dry out for the start of the holiday weekend. It also is looking to get a little bit warmer for the holiday weekend. Looking ahead, it does look like a pretty good weekend overall, with the exception of Sunday. So for Saturday, sunshine, warmest day of the weekend, highs in the mid 80s. There are a few showers possible on Sunday, but sunshine will still peek through at times. Temperatures in the upper 70s, and on Monday it looks completely dry with sunshine with highs in the mid 70s. So overall, a pretty nice holiday weekend to round out the summer. But as for today, we are still tracking some clouds this morning. We will be seeing some sunshine. A few passing showers are possible. It is going to be breezy, but feeling a lot more comfortable with highs in the low 70s. Tonight, a few more showers are possible due to that weaker cold front moving through, with the low in the upper 50s. But for tomorrow, we do look to mostly dry out. A lot cooler tomorrow. We will feel a little bit more like fall rather than the end of August, with highs in just the upper 60s. Heading into Friday, it does completely dry out on Friday. We are tracking mostly sunny skies, and it is going to get a little bit warmer with highs in the mid 70s. But for today, expect some sunshine, a passing shower, or even a weaker thunderstorm is possible later on. Breezy conditions, highs in the low 70s, and tonight a few passing showers are possible with the low in the upper 50s. So for today and tomorrow, we do look mostly dry with a few passing showers possible on both days. A lot cooler tomorrow with highs just in the upper 60s. We warm up again for the holiday weekend, and overall it is looking like a pretty nice holiday weekend, Gary.
Well, a lot of folks happy about that.
Yes, I am too.
Hannah, thanks. Right now, nuclear inspectors are joining us at 7. I'm Gary Libator. We have a lot to get to this morning, including a new warning from the feds about rainbow fentanyl. But first, after a wild ride in the weather yesterday, things are settling down. Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans is here, and the good news, a little rain, but it's moving out, right?
Yes, so we are going to be mostly dry today. There is the possibility to see another shower here later on today, but we do look mostly dry.
After yesterday's deluge we got, right?
Yes, but we definitely needed it. So let's take a look now. If you are heading out the door this morning, temperatures will be in the 60s. There are a few passing showers just kind of moving through, but at this point, I think we are mostly dry. In the afternoon, the highs are going to be in the low 70s, partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions. But as for the rest of the evening, there is the possibility to see a passing shower or even a weaker thunderstorm. Once again, it is going to be a little bit breezy today, but a lot less humid and a lot more comfortable in terms of temperature. As for tonight, a few more showers are possible overnight with the low in the upper 50s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We have an update for you.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking mostly dry conditions for today, and it is going to be a lot cooler with highs in the low 70s. Let's take a look now at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Starting out with some clouds this morning, but we are dry at this point, a lot less humid today, and it is going to be overall a pretty nice day. But taking a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, at this point we are tracking dry conditions in our area. We did see a few lingering showers earlier here this morning, but the heavy rain from yesterday has since moved out, and that cold front that moved through did leave behind a breeze for today, as well as cooler weather and less humidity. According to our sky watchers, we are in the 60s this morning. We have 61 degrees in Old Forge and 64 degrees in New Hartford and in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 62 degrees in Cooperstown, Milford, and in Evanston this morning. Our high temperature today is going to be in the low 70s, so a little bit cooler than the past couple of days, but a weaker cold front will be moving through it once again this evening and tonight. That will bring the possibility of a passing shower or even a weaker thunderstorm as we head into the later hours of the day. That will linger a little bit into tomorrow morning as that weak cold front continues to pass through. But otherwise, we are going to be mostly dry for the day today and mostly dry for the day tomorrow, just cooler weather. Even tomorrow, we will just be in the upper 60s for the high. We will see dry conditions make a return for the start of the weekend on Friday and Saturday, and it will start to get a little bit warmer as well. So overall, this holiday weekend is looking pretty nice. On Saturday, we will be seeing some sunshine. Highs are going to be in the mid-80s. Saturday looks to be the warmest day of the weekend. On Sunday, there is the possibility for a few showers, but we do look like we are going to be seeing some dry conditions a part of the day as well as some sunshine. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, and on Labor Day, highs are going to be in the mid-70s with sunshine. As for today, though, a few passing showers are possible today. Highs are going to be in the low 70s, but it is going to be some partly cloudy skies, and we are going to be seeing breezy conditions throughout the day. Tonight, a few passing showers are possible as that weak cold front moves through. That lingers a little bit into tomorrow, but tomorrow we are going to remain on the cooler side. Highs just in the upper 60s. Heading into Friday, we will be seeing the sun make a return. Dry conditions for the whole day on Friday, and it is going to get a little bit warmer with highs in the mid-70s. As for today, we are tracking some sunshine, breezy conditions. A passing shower or even a weaker thunderstorm is possible later on. Highs in the low 70s, and tonight a few showers are possible once again overnight with the low in the upper 50s. That lingers a little bit into tomorrow, but we are mostly dry for tomorrow, and we warm up for an overall nice holiday weekend.
Now let's get a first check of your forecast this noon. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us from the Weather Center.
Good afternoon, Gary. We are tracking a few isolated showers that are going to be possible this afternoon, but otherwise we are still remaining mostly dry. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is still possible to see a brief passing shower, even a brief thunderstorm. That thunderstorm right there that is forming off the lake is kind of moving towards the west and keeping up north. So keep an eye out on the sky for this afternoon, but still remaining mostly dry in our area. And if you are heading over to Syracuse for the New York State Fair, honestly, it is a great day to do that. It's nice and comfortable, a little bit breezy, temperatures ranging in the low to mid 70s for the high over in Syracuse. So a passing shower, even a weaker thunderstorm is possible for today. We are even going to be much cooler tomorrow with highs just in the upper 60s. And overall, looking ahead to the holiday weekend, it is looking pretty nice with plenty of sunshine. So for the rest of the day, a passing shower is still possible with breezy conditions, and I will have the full Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Attorneys for
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are seeing partly sunny skies this afternoon with the possibility of a passing shower. But let's take a look now at our Cavity Tower camera. We are seeing plenty of clouds, but the sun is peeking out a little bit. Breezy conditions today and a lot cooler than the past couple of days. And taking a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, there are a couple of showers, even a weaker thunderstorm forming at this point. It is kind of moving west into our area, so there is the possibility for a brief passing shower or a brief weak thunderstorm here this afternoon. Otherwise, we do look to remain mostly dry for today with partly sunny skies. And here's a track of the storms. We kind of see it moving into the west, along with those breezy conditions coming from the west as well. But overall, a pretty nice day outside as we are remaining mostly dry. According to our sky watchers, we are in the 60s and 70s here. So once again, a lot cooler than the past couple of days. Just 62 degrees in Old Forge at noon, 72 degrees in Mohawk, and 69 degrees in Otsego. Our high temperature today will remain in the low 70s, and it also is feeling a lot more comfortable outside in terms of low humidity. So for today through Friday, we are going to be seeing a very low humidity levels. Actually, tomorrow it's going to feel very chilly outside with highs just in the 60s and very low humidity. Coming into the weekend, we are going to start to see the humidity rise just a little bit more into some muggy conditions, but not as humid as it has been the past couple of days. And looking ahead to Labor Day weekend, thus far it is looking pretty nice, especially on Friday. Looks very nice with sunshine. Saturday looks like we could be seeing sunshine. Saturday is going to be the hottest day of the weekend with highs in the mid 80s. On Sunday, there is the possibility to see a few showers here and there, but otherwise we are going to be seeing some sun peeking out of those showers. Temperatures right near 80, and we will remain dry for Labor Day with highs in the mid 70s. So let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for this afternoon, once again, the possibility of a passing shower, even a weak brief thunderstorm is there. Highs today only reaching the low 70s with breezy conditions. Tonight, a weaker cold front does look to move through. This brings in the possibility for a few passing showers, even just a weaker thunderstorm overnight. But we do look to dry out for tomorrow. A few showers are possible tomorrow morning, but we do look mostly dry for the day tomorrow, but it is going to be a little bit chilly with highs just in the upper 60s. Heading into Friday, it gets a lot better. It will be a lot warmer on Friday, and we are going to be seeing sunshine for the whole day with highs in the mid to upper 70s. As for today, we are tracking the possibility of a passing shower or even a weaker thunderstorm. Highs just in the low 70s, and it is a bit breezy outside. Tonight, once again, a passing shower, even a weaker thunderstorm is possible with a low in the upper 50s. That is possibly going to last until tomorrow morning, but we do ultimately look to dry out tomorrow. Kind of chilly for the end of August, highs just in the upper 60s, and so far so good for Labor Day weekend. It is looking pretty nice thus far. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. In Jax, again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking mostly dry conditions this afternoon, but there is the possibility to see a passing shower, even a weaker thunderstorm. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. We can see right now there is a shower kind of heading towards the Utica area. It is going to be brief, and there is the possibility to see a weaker thunderstorm moving through as well, especially north of the Mohawk Valley for this afternoon. But otherwise, we are remaining dry with partly sunny skies. And over in Syracuse, if you are heading to the New York State Fair, it is nice over there today. Partly cloudy skies. High temperatures are going to be in the lower to mid 70s, so a very nice, comfortable day to spend outside at the fair. But once again, in our area, a passing shower, even a brief, weaker thunderstorm is possible for the rest of the afternoon. It is also going to be much cooler tomorrow. Highs are only going to be in the upper 60s for tomorrow. And looking ahead to the holiday weekend, overall, it does look like a pretty nice weekend with plenty of sunshine. But as for today, partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and a passing shower is possible. And I will be talking a little bit more about the Labor Day weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now an update on the
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are seeing partly cloudy skies this afternoon with the possibility of a passing shower. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera. We're seeing lots of clouds in the sky, but the sun is still peeking out. A lot cooler today and less humid, with highs expecting to reach the low 70s. Taking a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we do see a couple of brief showers that have formed from the west, so it is possible to see a passing shower here in the Mohawk Valley this afternoon and evening, and even a weaker thunderstorm is possible. These are once again coming in from the west along with a breeze coming in from the west, so just keep an eye out on the sky, but we are remaining mostly dry for the rest of the day. According to our sky watchers, temperatures are in the 60s and 70s, so a little bit cooler than the past couple of days. Just 62 degrees in Old Forge, 69 degrees in Otsego, and 73 degrees in Clinton. Our high temperature today is going to remain in the low 70s, and we are also seeing pretty low dew point values. They are in the low 50s at this point. It will remain comfortable in terms of humidity through Friday. Actually feeling a bit chilly tomorrow with very low humidity and temperatures only in the 60s. Upcoming weekend, it does start to get a little bit muggy again, especially on Saturday and Sunday, but still not as humid as it was the past couple of days. So for the Labor Day weekend, it does look pretty nice overall. Plenty of sunshine on Friday, and on Saturday, it does look to be the warmest day of the weekend, highs in the mid-80s. There is the chance to see a few showers, possibly a thunderstorm on Sunday, but these are going to be scattered, so there will be some breaks for some sunshine. Highs near 80, and on Monday it does look like our high temperatures will remain in the mid-70s and we will be dry for Labor Day. But for the rest of this afternoon, a passing shower is possible. Breezy conditions and highs in the low 70s. As we head into tonight, a weaker cold front will move through overnight. That will bring in the possibility for a few passing showers or weaker thunderstorms, but that looks to all clear up by tomorrow. As for tomorrow, we are remaining mostly dry. A passing shower is possible in the morning, and highs are only going to be in the mid to upper 60s, so feeling pretty chilly tomorrow for the end of August. Friday gets a little bit better. Sunshine comes in for the whole day on Friday, and it is going to be warmer with highs in the mid to upper 70s. As for today, temperatures are just going to reach the low 70s. Once again, a passing shower is possible with breezy conditions, and tonight a passing shower is also possible overnight with a low in the upper 50s. Heading into tomorrow, we could be seeing a few showers lingering in the morning, but we do look to dry out for a chilly day for the end of August. We warm up for this upcoming holiday weekend, and it looks mostly dry for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Oneida County this morning.
Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Some rain in our evening future here?
A couple of scattered showers. Could even see a rumble of thunder this evening. We've got another cold front on the way. This one is going to bring us a taste of fall. A big drop in temperature. If you think today felt great, wait till tomorrow. We're expecting temperatures to drop into the upper 60s for high temperatures and overnight lows into the 40s. But before we get there, we do have a couple of scattered showers to track, a few of them near Boonville, also some thunderstorms out near Oswego. These are gradually moving slowly south and east and generally impacting areas north of the Mohawk Valley. So again, just be on the lookout for that. Not everybody will get these. Current temperature is 76 degrees, a west wind at 12 miles an hour. A few passing showers tonight, much cooler weather tomorrow. But it doesn't last. It looks like the weather is going to warm up as we head into the weekend. This evening, temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s with a few passing showers. And we are taking a look at that weekend forecast, the holiday weekend forecast, and it's coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Finally, a little bit of good news.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Cooler weather is approaching our area, and that also comes with a few scattered showers this evening. You're going to feel a big change as we head into the day tomorrow. A little taste of fall on the way. Let's take a live look outside. Our CAV tower cam is looking very pretty. Got some fair weather clouds for now. That's going to change, though, as we look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking a few widely scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms, although these are in the process of weakening just north of Syracuse. There is a lightning strike here. This is heading to the east, impacting areas like Rome, and I think this will go just north of Utica. It'll take about another hour, 45 minutes to an hour to move across Oneida County. And there's a few scattered showers up towards Boonville as well. Old Forge likely seeing a few sprinkles. Again, most of this activity passing in and north of the Mohawk Valley. Not everybody gets wet this evening. If you're looking to cut the lawn over the next couple of days, later tomorrow looks good. So does Friday and Saturday. We're expecting dry, sunny weather to settle in here as we head into the start of the holiday weekend. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Westmoreland, 77 degrees. Whitesboro, 75. Big Moose in northern Herkimer County, 67. Across Southern Valleys, Sherburne, 75. Cooperstown, 75 in Sherburne with 73 degrees. As we look at our forecast, if you're looking to walk the dog, actually it looks like a nice evening to do that. Temperatures remain in the 70s through sunset. Sunset nowadays is about 7:37. Tonight's featured dog is Jenna from Forestport, beautiful German Shepherd here. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. We have a cold front dropping in from the north. This is going to bring much cooler weather to the region. And again, we are tracking a few scattered showers here heading into this evening. This continues tonight. It's caused by a cold front, but also in the wake of the cold front, we'll be seeing some lake effect clouds and a few lake effect rain showers. Best chance of this happening would be in and south of the Mohawk Valley, and especially tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, a mix of sunshine and clouds, breezy, and again, feeling like September. Temperatures in the upper 60s with sunshine. Chilly tomorrow night. We're down into the 40s across the entire area with clear skies. But it doesn't last. It's still a little early for this. With temperatures back to the upper 70s heading into Friday afternoon. Tonight, passing shower, low of 54. Tomorrow, again, a pleasant day. Some sprinkles in the morning. Definitely feeling like fall, at least for the day. A high of 68. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We're back to summer here. Saturday, temperatures in the mid-80s. There will be the chance of a few pop-up showers here both Sunday and Monday as the system passes to our south. So some changes for Labor Day and trending a little bit wetter. And we will keep you posted. Actually, we're going to dive into Monday's forecast a little bit more coming up in a few minutes.
So Sunday, as you have said many times, not a complete washout.
Correct.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Thanks, Bill. Jackson, Mississippi is in center. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking what's going on Labor Day.
And we're looking ahead here. There's been some changes to the forecast. Just wanted to elaborate here. What we're tracking is low pressure to the south that should clip us. And we're right on the edge here, which means we did add the shower to Monday. But if this system tracks north, we'll get more of a rainfall, more of a steadier rainfall. If it tracks south, we're dry. So it's just something we're continuing to follow. Today is the last day of meteorological summer. It's from June 1st to August 31st. And we look at the summer from this standpoint, some of the highlights. We had a very dry start to summer. It was really dry in June. July, we did play a little bit of catch up with rainfall, and it's been a little bit above average for the month of August. It's been a hot summer, but not exceptionally hot. We've had 7 days with temperatures in the 90s. The average is 5. And a lot of the warmest part of the summer, at least compared to average, has actually been in the month of August. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking a few scattered storms that are approaching from the west. We'll keep an eye on those. This is part of a cold front that's going to bring a big drop of the temperature here for tomorrow. So again, we will be tracking a few passing showers this evening. I'll have a look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. 9 years ago, State Police died.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a couple of showers and a few downpours moving into parts of the region this evening. Let's take a live look outside. It's our CAVV Tower Cam as we look to the south. Looks pretty nice out there now, but we look to the north and east. We start to see some changes, some scattered showers, and again, a couple of downpours approaching northern Oneida County. These are moving to the south and east. We'll put a storm track on these, heading towards Utica around 620. Marcy 610, Rome 553, Schuyler 632, Fairfield 649. Talking about the potential of just a brief shower here, maybe a rumble of thunder. And we're also tracking more of these showers in central Herkimer County also, as well as Old Forge. This is part of a cold front. So this broken line of showers will be dropping to the south and east. The winds will be picking up as these roll through as well, and cooler weather will follow. If you're heading to the New York State Fair tomorrow, the weather looks nice out in Syracuse. Temperatures in the upper 60s near 70, partly sunny skies. It will be a breezy day tomorrow. The winds will be around throughout the whole afternoon. The winds will become lighter here as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Skywatchers checking in. Old Forge 68, Mohawk 75, Barneveld 70 degrees. Across Southern Valleys, we've got Lyman and Eaton with 75, Hartwick 72, and Milford with 69 degrees. Again, these showers moving into the region are part of a cold front. Another one. We had one roll through yesterday. A second one rolls through tonight, and this is going to drop the temperature. It's going to feel more like fall as we head into Thursday. It's going to be a short taste of fall, though. The weather warms up pretty quickly as we head into the weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, again, tracking those showers as they approach from the north. Some lake effect rain showers set up as we head into tomorrow morning. And yes, that is something that can happen this time of the year. It's not always snow. Same process, though. Cooler air over warmer waters. Again, a few sprinkles around early tomorrow. Back to sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures climb into the upper 60s. Tomorrow night, dare I say chilly. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. Friday looks beautiful. We see a nice bounce in the temperature into the upper 70s as you head into Friday afternoon with plenty of sunshine. A couple of passing showers tonight, low of 54. Some sprinkles in the morning tomorrow. Sunshine in the afternoon. Again, feeling like fall, a high of 68. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We warm up pretty quickly. Friday, 78 into the mid-80s on Saturday, so feeling more like summer again. Tracking some showers here for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures back into the upper 70s to low 80s Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
At 6, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We're tracking some scattered showers, even a few rumbles of thunder this evening as a cold front, another one, moves into the region. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. These showers, these gusty showers, rumbles of thunder, are approaching areas like just north of Utica towards Marcy. We'll put a storm track on this. This is heading pretty quickly to the south and east, and it'll be impacting areas like Newport at 626, Fairfield at 635, and Manheim at 645. This is not a solid line of showers, so not all of us will see this, but again, be on the lookout for these here this evening. Current temperature is 75 degrees. Our weather headlines: a few passing showers will continue into tonight, much cooler tomorrow, and a nice start to the weekend. A few passing showers this evening, temperatures in the upper 60s. It is going to be nice heading into the holiday weekend. We got to look at your forecast coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Oneida County marked
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking a couple of showers rolling through central New York this evening. Have a look at our CAVI tower cam. A little ominous here, but these are, the bark is worse than the bite. This is mainly some showers as we look south and west on the camera here. What we're looking at is a broken line of showers and a couple of downpours. This was producing thunder and lightning out towards Vienna, but it hasn't done it in the past 15 minutes or so. So can't rule it out, but that would be the exception rather than the rule. This is dropping south and east. Let me put a storm track on this. I think the bulk of this is going to pass just north of Utica, but it's going to be pretty close. Newport 624, Norway 629, Fairfield 633, and Dolgeville at 644. And the southern part of this, heading into the southern part of Oneida County, this one may end up clipping Utica at around 632, Frankfort 645, and Jermett Flats at 650. The overall picture here shows that this is the main line that we're watching. There are a few more showers to the west, and in general, these will be passing south and east this evening as this cold front sweeps through the region. Much cooler weather tomorrow. More scattered showers early tomorrow, so if you're looking to cut the lawn, later in the day is better. Friday, Saturday look like nice days to do that. Plenty of sunshine is expected as we head into the start of the holiday weekend. Our MoCast, by the way, is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Breezy tomorrow, too. Again, think fall. Looking at breezy conditions throughout the day. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the winds do calm down across the area. Our Skywatchers checking in. Barneveld 70 degrees, Inlet 68, Mohawk with 75. Across Southern Valleys, Hartwick 72, Paynes Hollow 73, and Lyman and Eaton checking in with 75 degrees. Again, scattered showers moving into the region with this cold front. Big drop in the temperature takes place tomorrow. So overnight, a few lingering showers will be around. This is going to be some lake effect rain showers first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s. And again, it doesn't warm up very much tomorrow. We'll be in the upper 60s in the afternoon. A generally nice day. Clouds giving way to sunshine. Dare I say chilly tomorrow night. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. The weather looks really nice, though, as we head into Friday. A return to sunshine, temperatures climbing into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Passing showers tonight, low of 54. Tomorrow, sprinkles in the morning, sunshine in the afternoon. A cool, breezy day, a high of 68. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast into the 40s tomorrow night. But again, we turn around pretty quickly. Friday's high 78. Back to summer, 85 on Saturday. Some scattered showers here both Sunday and now Monday, too. That's a new development in the extended forecast. Looking dry here for Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
For our first look at the forecast tonight, let's go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. We had some rain this evening, which produced...
Yeah, we had a rainbow, beautiful one here. This is a picture in Deerfield from Pete. A double rainbow. The inside rainbow always is brighter than the outside rainbow. That's just from physics, the physics of light rays bending. And this is a beautiful shot here. This is in Deerfield, taken around 6:45 this evening. Our live Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar continues to show some rain to the north. This will be dropping southward as we head into tonight. As a cold front continues to march through the region. Our current temperature is 61 degrees. It is going to be a cool, comfortable night here in central New York. And we want to leave the windows open going to bed. Temperatures, again, dropping down into the mid-50s across the region. And we will have a few scattered showers and to deal with as we head into tonight. Overnight lows in the mid-50s. Feeling like fall tomorrow, but it's back to summer as we head into the holiday weekend. Look at the forecast coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. One hurdle now clear.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. It's cooling off tonight. We're tracking more rain, even some thunderstorms to the north. This is in Lewis County. Believe it or not, this is actually lake effect rain. It's in the wake of a cold front. And in this time of the year, this is producing some heavy rain and thunder and lightning. It's going to be dropping south and weakening here as we head into tonight. And that will be around first thing tomorrow morning before things come to an end. Today is the official end to summer, at least from a meteorologist standpoint. We look at the months of June, July, and August as summer. And for those 3 months, we saw very dry conditions in June. Precipitation in July was about average, and it was a little above average in August. It was also a hot summer, but not extraordinarily hot, 7 days above 90 degrees, which the average is 5. August ended up being the warmest compared to average out of those 3 months. I want to show you Labor Day and some of the trends that we're tracking here. It is looking wetter. It looks like low pressure is going to be developing in the wake of a cold front, and that could produce some rain as we head into the holiday. Looking to cut the lawn over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, later in the day, is better. Friday and Saturday should be pretty decent days. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Cool day tomorrow. Temperatures only in the upper 60s, starting out in the 50s. We also have a wind, too, so it's going to feel like fall. A breezy day across the area. Again, starting out with some scattered lake effect rain showers, and then things will dry out as this cold front continues to move through. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, some showers overnight. Temperatures drop down into the mid-50s. We start out tomorrow morning with unsettled conditions, cloud showers, gloomy. But I do expect to see some sunshine later in the day. Breezy, too, temperatures in the upper 60s. Tomorrow night, the weather looks clear and cool. We're down into the 40s. Dare I say, a chilly night ahead. Friday, the weather warms up. Winds turn into the south. It's going to be a beautiful day. Temperatures back into the upper 70s. Passing shower tonight, low of 54. Tomorrow, gloomy in the morning and then pretty decent in the afternoon. Again, much cooler, highs in the upper 60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Friday and Saturday look really nice. And it's going to be a lot more summer-like here. Temperatures in the mid-80s Saturday afternoon. Some rain showers on Sunday, 76. Labor Day, again, that chance of rain, mid-70s. We're back to seeing seasonally warm temperatures, upper 70s to low 80s on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Time now for our first look at the forecast tonight. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
A beautiful rainbow taking place earlier this evening as we had some showers roll through the area. This picture from Pete in Deerfield, you can see the double rainbow here. The inside is brighter than the outside. Again, some gorgeous shots here from earlier this evening. That was all due to a cold front that came through. In the wake of this cold front, we are tracking lake effect rain and even some lake effect thunderstorms across northern Oneida County, northern Herkimer County, and southern Lewis County. This band is going to slowly drop southward and weaken as we head into tonight. But again, unusual to see that, but it is a thing. There's more than just lake effect snow that comes from Lake Ontario. Current temperature is 62 degrees. It is cooler out there, and it will be a cool night. Comfortable night, too. You can leave the windows open going to bed. We're looking at overnight lows dropping down into the mid-50s here. And again, we're tracking more showers here overnight as that band of lake effect rain drops south. We've got to look at your forecast heading into the holiday weekend. It does look to warm up, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. One hurdle now clear.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAVV Tower Cam. Much cooler now as a cold front came through earlier today. In the wake of that, it's producing lake effect rain, even some thunderstorms, some lightning detected with this band of lake effect rain. So this is lake effect thunderstorms. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The band is across northern Oneida County into northern Herkimer County, and it is moving southward. So this is going to drop into the Mohawk Valley, but it's also going to weaken. So we're expecting to see some rain out of this overnight. Don't be alarmed if there might be a flash of lightning with this too. This will be around first thing in the morning, and then the lake effect rain will be coming to an end. Today is the end of meteorological summer. We meteorologists break down the seasons between for every 3 months, so the June, July, and August. And let's take a look back at some of the stats here. We've been below average for rainfall. June in particular was very dry. July was pretty close to average. Then August has been a little bit wetter than average. It's been a hot summer, but not extraordinarily hot. 7 days with temperatures in the 90s. The average is 5. The warmest stretch, at least compared to average, the month of August. Let's take a look at the Labor Day forecast. I wanted to skip ahead here to show you that we have new developments here. There's going to be an area of low pressure that we're tracking along the East Coast, and some of the newest information is suggesting this is going to be closer to us. So we did add some rain to the forecast on Monday, and we will keep an eye on that because I know a lot of you have plans. If you're looking to cut the lawn tomorrow, later in the day will be better. Friday and Saturday look to be nice days as well. Our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Cool day tomorrow, starting out in the 50s, ending in the mid-60s, and there will be a breeze, so it's going to feel like fall. Winds throughout the afternoon, gusty at times, but not too strong. Again, looking at the radar and satellite image, cold front rolling through in the wake, a lake effect rain moving across the area. That'll be around first thing tomorrow morning, but that does go to the south. So throughout the day tomorrow, we should see a return to sunshine after a gloomy start. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 60s. The weather warms up as we look ahead to Friday. Passing shower tonight, low of 54. Tomorrow, sprinkles, showers in the morning, sunshine in the afternoon. Again, think fall. High of 68 degrees, breezy conditions. It doesn't last. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. 78 on Friday, mostly sunny. 85 on Saturday, so summer is back. Some scattered showers here for Sunday and the possibility of the rain on Labor Day, 76. Drying out, sunshine on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.